Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, please click on the subscribe button so that you subscribe to join this great family. You subscribe because you have a lot to learn, and when you subscribe, remember to click on the notification bell up there so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright guys, so today I'll be doing something different. I'm going to be showing you guys how I tie fan gele myself. It's not going to be that beautiful like the one I tie on people's head, but at least it's going to be something that you can use for any outing, for any occasion. So guys, let's see the step by step on how to tie this fan gele. So thank you for subscribing, because I know you have already clicked on the subscribe button. Thank you for subscribing, old subscribers. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate you. Thank you, new subscribers. You are welcome to the family. You are welcome to my channel. We have a lot to learn. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how I tie this fan gele on my head. So I'll place the gele here. Then at the back, what I'll do is to use the 30 part is coming up while the 70 is going down, because it's the 70 I will use to come up the second time. So the 30 is up while the 70 is down. So I'm going to just tap it like this to make sure I arrange this place very well. With the 70 part right now. So I'm going to place it on my head and make sure that it's very flat on my head. So guys, I'm going to be drawing this side out. This side I'll draw it out a little bit before I tie at the back. So to tie at the back now, what I'll do now is the 70 parts that is remaining, I'm going to just divide it into two. Then the 30 parts that is remaining, I don't really need it. So what I'll do right now is to tie it together with the half of the 70, because I won't be needing it. So make sure you tie it very well. So this is the 30, I tie it together with the 70. So you have to arrange your gele very well, draw it out to make sure that the shape is okay for you before you tie it, the final one. So that is it. So when I'm done with the plating of the front of this gele, then I'll know what to do with that one that is remaining. So you have to make sure that it's balanced very well, the side very well. Then I'll form like maybe 1 or 2 plates at the front. So you see the way I'm pulling and dragging to the front. So I'll be checking this. So what I'll do now is bring my hand down, pull, so that the shape will form here first. So I think it's still remaining, so let's go a little bit more. just kind of trying to form the fan. So I'll just hold this place a little bit so that the gele will be round, and hold it with my pin. So when I'm done holding this side so that the gele will be round, the next thing I'll do is to do small arrangements on the gele. So that is the little I can tie this gele. You know it's not easy to tie gele on your hair, but I hope this gele is, you know, is okay. It's not that perfect, but it's okay. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. Just follow the step. It's very easy to achieve. Drop your comment on the comment chat if there is anything you don't understand. So I'm going to be showing you the back, what I did to the back of this gele. So this is the back of the gele. This is how it looks. So guys, so see you in my next video. Bye.